Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today we are addressing a common issue: the HP EliteBook 840G5 won't boot up. This can happen for several reasons, such as a faulty battery, issues with the power supply, or a malfunctioning hard drive. If left unresolved, this issue can lead to data loss or more extensive damage to the system. So, let's get started with the tools you will need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement hard drive if that is the faulty component. First, ensure that the laptop is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, start by placing it upside down on a clean, flat surface. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry the back panel off. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Look for the hard drive, which is usually located near the center of the device. If you notice any signs of damage or if the hard drive is not spinning, this is likely the culprit. To extract the hard drive, remove the screws that hold it in place. Be cautious when unscrewing to apply the right amount of force. Over-tightening can cause damage. Once the screws are out, gently pull the hard drive out from its connector. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, if you have a new hard drive, align it with the connector and slide it in gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws to secure the hard drive, ensuring they are tight but not overly so. After securing the hard drive, carefully replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it snaps into place. Reinsert all screws to ensure the panel is secure. Now plug in your device and press the power button. If all goes well, the HP EliteBook 840G5 should boot up successfully. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to keep your device clean and avoid overheating. Regularly checking for software updates can also help maintain your laptop's performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.